Alright guys, just jumping straight in today. If you are new to my channel, hey girl, hey, welcome, period. And if you are a returning subscriber, welcome back. So today I'm just going to be installing this 26-inch straight wig from Nadula Hair for you guys. And I'm not sure if I really want to call this a tutorial or a how-to, because honestly I kind of feel like I've lost my sauce as far as installing my wigs, you guys. Seriously, they just don't look the way that I like them to look anymore. So I don't know if I'm gonna call this a tutorial. Like I said, long story short, I think I'm just gonna make this like a just little chill get ready with me video doing my hair while you guys watch, because you know there's nothing wrong with practicing and getting better, period. Okay, period.
I like my shit from the
and this Amber duh.
So as I said before, guys, I'm not really sure if this is going to be an official tutorial, but of course I'm still going to tell you guys what I'm using. So right now you see me using my Ghost Bond lace glue, and earlier I used my Ebon lace tint spray just to get the lace to look a little bit more my color. And like I said, it's not a tutorial, so I will tell you guys where I messed up a couple times. One place I messed up is I think my lace tint spray may have been a little bit too light for me, you know, but that was really beyond my control. It looked like my color in the store, so you know, whatever. But as far as that, I was really just trying to figure out how to work this glue, because I've never really used this glue before. I don't normally actually use lace glues, wig glues, to glue down my wigs, because your girl likes taking her wigs off at night. Okay, I do not like wearing my wigs for days and days and weeks. Okay, I like sleeping bald. So I definitely had a couple trial and errors, a couple hit and misses with this glue, but all in all, my wig was laid and on. Okay, it was going nowhere until I actually took it off. And I just cut the lace right down the middle, and I'm working in sections, because as a beginner or as a person that's just practicing, it's always easier to work in sections. Start off in small sections, and then, you know, just get everything slayed as you go, sis.
Just saying the move. You know what that means. Get in tunes, get in tunes, get in tunes.
He asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from the
And this Amber duh. And this Amber duh.
And again, this wig is from Nadula Hair, so shout out to them. They sent me over their pre-plucked Brazilian straight wig in 26 inches, honey. And you guys know that I am a sucker for some bone straight middle part hair, but I always do that. So I was so bored. And like I said, I really just wanted to practice and try to switch it up and try to challenge myself, whatever, do something new. So I decided to do a side part on them today. And I'm actually not upset with the way it turned out. It was actually really cute. The only thing about this wig that I could have changed or would have maybe liked to see changed was the part. The part going back, I wasn't able to go very far back. I feel like it would have looked even better if I was able to part back even more, but it didn't look horrible, so I'm not complaining super hard, you know. But of course, guys, if you are interested in this wig, or you just want to check out the Nadula, whoa girl, the Nadula website, I will have all the links to the website as well as all the links to this wig and any other hair that you might be interested in the description box, so do not forget to check that out.
And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck. And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck.
Just saying them both. Just saying them both. You know what that means. Get in tune, stupid tune, stupid tune.
He asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck. And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck. And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck.
I like my shit from the back.
And this Amber Duck. And this Amber Duck.
And now you guys know, okay, if you watch my wig videos, you know I do not like doing baby hairs. I'm not good at baby hairs, but it's just so convenient to do because it hides the lace so well, and I just think they look so cute. So I really tried my best. I tried to take my time and, you know, do them. And I feel like they didn't come out horrible. They could have been better, but, you know, as I do it more, I feel like they'll start to look a little better.
Say in the booth. You know what that means. Get in tune, stupid tune, stupid tune.
He asked me which way I liked it. I told him I like my shit from the
And it's Amber Duh. And it's Amber Duh.
And after a quick little 1-2-1-2 with my hot comb, and of course some powder in that part and along the lace, I am done, and this wig is done, y'all. I couldn't really see, so like my sideburn piece, as you guys can see, was a little bit white, but I did end up going back and fixing that, just so y'all don't think that I'm out here just not caring, okay, period. But yeah guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this video. I know that I'm such a flop, and I really should post more, but I'm still so grateful that you guys choose to watch and subscribe and comment. It means so much to me. It truly does, because I'm such a flop, y'all, and y'all still support me. Like, what? Okay, but whatever. All the links to this hair will be in the description box, so don't forget to check that out, and I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.